Hello, Ibavan. I talked about a lot of basic Sinhala words and phrases but couldn't talk about how you say your feelings in Sinhala. So this video is for that. Let's look at the first word. Satuta, happiness. If you want to say somebody is happy, you can say satutui. As an example, you can say Mata satutui, I am happy. Mata satutui oya honde nisa. I am happy because you are good. Say the person who's happy and add ta and then satutui. You can say Pusata satutui, the cat is happy. Ammata satutui, mother is happy. Mata satutui ekagan, I'm happy about that. The adjective form of this word is satutu or satutu hitena. As an example, satutu hitena panividayak or satutu panividayak. The adverb form is satutin. This literally means like with a happy feeling. Satutin natua, danced happily. Satutin kava, ate happily. The next word is dukkha, sadness. If someone is feeling sad, you can say dukkai. As an example, you can say Mata dukkai, I am sad. The adjective form of this is also dukkha or dukkha hitana. As an example, you can say dukkha hitana katavak, a sad story. Hitana means like feeling. The adverb form is dukkin. Same as before, it means like with a sad feeling. As an example, you can say Ea dukkin balua. She looked sadly or like with a sad feeling. If you want to say someone is suffering, you can say duk vindinava. Next word is baya. Baya means fear. If someone is scared, you can say bayai, like mata bayai or mama bayai, and nangi bayai, like that. The adjective form is also baya or baya hitena. You can say baya hitena katavak, a scary story. Baya lamek, it means like he's a scary cat, but we have a different word for a coward. That is bayagula. It kind of sounds funny too. Anyway, bayagula means coward. The adverb form is bayen or bayin. It means like with fear or fearfully. Mama bayin eka kala. I did it, but I was scared. Mama bayin in. It means like I'm living with fear. If you want to say don't be scared, the phrase is baya venna epa. Venna means like be, and you learned the word epa in previous lessons, which means don't. Next word is taraha or tarahava, meaning anger. If you want to say someone is feeling angry, the word is tarahai. But normally we use the word tarahai to say when you stopped being friends with someone you used to be friends with. As an example, Mama eala ekka tarahai. This means I'm not friends with them anymore. If you want to say someone got angry, you have to say eata taraha gihin. This means like she is angry. Oyata taraha gihinda inne. Are you angry? Gihin means like gone, but here it means got angry. The adjective form is taraha or taraha yana. As an example, you can say taraha yana velak, something that makes someone angry. Yana means going, but taraha yanama means like getting angry. The adverb form is tarahen or tarahin, means like angrily or with an angry feeling. Ea tarahen balua, he looked angrily. If you want to say don't be angry, you can say taraha ganna epa. Next word, kammalikama, laziness. Kammalikama hondena, laziness is not good. Kammali means someone is being lazy. Mata kammali yan, I'm too lazy to go. And the adjective form is kammali. Remember, kammali means someone is being lazy, but when you say that last sound shorter, it is the adjective form, kammali. Ea kammali lamaik. He is a lazy kid. The adverb form is kammali kamen, lazily. Mama kammali kamen nagita. I woke up lazily. Kammali venama means being lazy. You can say kammali ven epa. don't be lazy. Or if you want to call someone a lazy person, you can call that person kammaliya. Next word is badagina, hunger. Badagini means someone is feeling hungry. Mata badagini, I am hungry. And the adjective form is badagini or badagini hitana. It means like something that makes someone hungry. You can say badagini hitana there, something that makes someone hungry. The adverb form is badagine or badigine. It means like with hunger or hungrily. Mama badigine yanama, I'm going hungrily. Like I'm hungry but I'm going. Next word is tibaha, thirsty. If someone is feeling thirsty, the word is tibahai. Mata tibahai, I'm thirsty. Oyata tibahai, you are thirsty. Oata tibahai da, are you thirsty? And the adjective form is also tibaha or tibaha hitena. The adverb form is tibahen or tibahin. It means like with thirsty or thirstily. Now let's look at the summary of this lesson. Satuta, happiness. If somebody is feeling that, satutu. The adjective form is satutu or satutu hitana. The adverb form satutin. Dukkha, sadness. If somebody is feeling that, the word is dukkai. And the adjective form is also dukkha. Adverb form dukkin. Baya, fear. If somebody is feeling that, you can say bayai. The adjective form is baya and the adverb form is bayin. Tarahava, anger. If somebody is feeling angry, you can say taraha yanama. The adjective form is taraha yana. The adverb form is tarahen or tarahin. Kammalikama, laziness. If somebody is feeling lazy, the word is kammali. The adjective form kammali. Adverb form is kammalikamen. Badagin, hunger. Somebody is feeling hungry. Badagini. The adjective form is badagini. The adverb form badagini. Tibaha or tibahava means thirsty. Somebody is feeling thirsty. The word is tibahai. The adjective form is tibaha and the adverb form is tibahen. Now you know how to say happy, sad, scared, angry, lazy, hungry, and thirsty in Sinhala. This is the end of this lesson. To stay updated with my new lessons, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Then, until next video, bye bye!